Hello everyone, welcome back to Arcad TV. How are you? Today I am drawing the adorable Hello Kitty step by step. Watch till the end. Start with a simple circle. Then add her cute bow, hair, tiny eyes, cute yellow colored nose, dress time. If you enjoy relaxing drawing tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what I should draw next. Comment below. Keep your lines smooth and take your time. This easy drawing is perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who loves cute characters. Today I am drawing the adorable Hello Kitty step by step. Must subscribe my channel, Arcad TV. Bell press icon. Subscribe. Comment below. Which part is your favorite? Nose, eyes, bow, dress. Which part is your favorite? Comment below. Watch till the end and subscribe, like, share. Arcad TV. Now it's color time. Shocking pink color. Wow, it's pretty. Hello Kitty is looking so adorable, so stunning, so elegant. Must subscribe for more cute arts, drawing. Must subscribe, like Arcad TV. I hope you enjoy my art. Draw with me, step by step. Now yellow color. White color. Comment below which color is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Arcad TV. Thank you for watching. Bye.